guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What I'm going to do today is going to be a super simple, super quick and easy video on how to do stickers. So I did make these stickers in Cricut Design Space. And they are images from Cricut Design Space, and I did make them glossy and without having to laminate them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I did the offset. I'm going to show you where I got these from in Cricut Design Space. I'm going to show you the paper that I use so that they get nice and glossy like this, and I don't have any issues with the registration marks when I use the glossy paper that I have. So I'm going to link all of the I'm going to link the paper down below, but I'm going to also show you what it looks like. But yeah, if you want to learn how to make simple, cute little stickers like this, go ahead and stick around. All right, guys, so I am going to go ahead and get started here in Cricut Design Space. So I'm going to use images that are in the Cricut Design Space app already. If you do have Cricut access, then these will more than likely be free, but I don't, so I did purchase the ones that I wanted to use. But I'm going to go over here to images, and I'm just going to type in, I think I typed in Black History to find the pictures, the stickers that I wanted. Okay, yeah, so here's one. I'm not going to scroll through all of them to find the ones that I got already, because I did purchase the ones. So I purchased this one. These 5 is what I purchased, and it's under the tab Black History. So if you're interested in finding them, I did get them in Cricut Design Space under if you search Black History. All right, so I'm going to add these to my canvas here, and then I am going to show you how I'm going to turn them into a sticker. Okay. So I'm going to close down some of these tabs here. All right, so yeah, I do have my stickers, and I'm going to go ahead and just show you how I got the offset to turn them into the sticker. So basically what I'm going to do is just go up here to the offset button. I'm going to click it, and it's going to automatically try to apply, or it's going to automatically apply the offset to it. And then because this one is words, I do like the size of this one, so I'm just going to go ahead and click apply for that one. Anytime you add an offset, it's going to automatically turn the color black. But for this one, I think I want the outside of it to be yellow. Yeah, that looks good. So then what I'm going to do is go ahead and highlight both of them, and we're going to flatten. The key to stickers is making sure you flatten those images because it's not going to be a sticker if you don't. So for this one, I turn the actual color of that brown, and then I'm going to add the offset and leave the offset of this one black. And I'm going to make this one just a little bit smaller. Uh-oh, it didn't do it. Let me try it again. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. Highlight both. You know what? It didn't do it again. Hold on. Maybe I'm not clicking apply. Maybe it's me. There we go. Let me click apply, and there we go. I want to turn, actually, no, I'm going to leave that black, actually, and I'm going to delete this one. But I'm going to line these back up. Align center. Nope, it's align center. There we go. And then I'm going to flatten it so it turns into the sticker. Now, the size I'm going to make these stickers is going to be 2 inches wide. I'm going to unlock it. It's 2 inches wide and 1.5 in height. 2. And this one, I don't know, because it stretched it out a little too much for me. So I'm going to leave that one the way that it was. Yeah. All right. Same thing for this one. We're going to do offset, apply, and I turn this one yellow too. Select both, flatten, and then make the width 2 inches. Okay, Same thing, offset. All right, and then we're going to apply, and I think I turned this one like a light green. Yeah. Her offset is a little too thick, so I'm gonna redo that. I didn't like how thick that was. So let me see. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's delete that. Let's select the girl, offset. Come on, offset. All right. And I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller because I don't think I wanted it that thick. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply and turn that the light green. Highlight and then flatten. And of course it turned the color. Y'all know how Cricut just start acting crazy for no reason? I feel like that's what's happening right now. Cricut wants to act up because I'm recording. Okay, let's unflatten. Let me find this basic cut. I don't want the green. There we go. Flatten. There we go. All right, I'm gonna delete whatever the heck that is. And then the last one, same thing, offsets. I think that's a good size. I'm gonna click apply. Turn the basic cut. No. Let's do a lighter green for her. Yeah, I like that one. Highlight, flatten. Okay, so we have all of the stickers, and I'm gonna make these 2 inches wide like the rest of them. Okay, so we have all of our stickers here. Now I'm gonna go ahead, pretty simple, right? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna select make it. And we are not going to mirror. You don't mirror with print and cut, okay? I'm gonna go over to continue. Continue. And then I'm gonna send these to my printer. Now I am gonna have the bleed on. For me, it just, sometimes it'll cut some of the white if I turn the bleed off. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave the bleed on. I'm gonna get these printed out. Oh, excuse me, I have to sneeze. And then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on the folder. All right, so I am going to print out my stickers. I just wanted to show you the paper that I was going to be using. This is vinyl glossy paper. It is waterproof or water resistant. And I did get this from Amazon. It's glossy. It's 8.5 by 11, so letter size. And like I said, I did get it from this brand from Amazon. I do really like this this brand of sticker paper or vinyl paper, whatever you want to call it. But this is probably my favorite glossy brand paper. I don't have to do any laminating, or I don't have to darken up the registration marks with the Sharpie or anything like that. It prints and cuts perfectly without me having to do it. But I'm going to go ahead and get these cut out. Like I said, I will link this down below, and then I'll come back when they're all cut. All right, so I do have my stickers all cut out here. Y'all see how glossy those are? I think they came out so cute. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and put them on the back of my little notebook here. If I can get, there we go. Stickers are like really such an easy way to make money. And I feel like the investment when it comes to stickers it's not as much. Like if you have a Cricut machine, like stickers are extremely simple to make, and you can sell them like in bulk, or like if you make planners or journals, it's a good addition to put like a sticker page inside of your planner or your journal to kind of, you know, upsell it a little bit. Especially if it's for like a kid's journal or a kid's planner and you do like kids stickers. Kids love stickers. I'm gonna print off some more so I can fill up the full back. But this is how they came out. I think those are so cute. And they're glossy. They're water resistant. I think those are so stinking cute. But it was just a quick little tutorial showing you guys how to create stickers in Cricut Design Space using Cricut Design Space. Images, especially if you pay for the Cricut Access already, you do have access to these images and they're super cute. But that's all I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Till the next time, bye.